Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. This is biology session, our food. We have completed the lesson. In the today's class, let us discuss the questions which are appeared in the previous Olympiad from this lesson. So before going to the assessment, let us briefly review. So in this lesson we have studied varieties of foods, that is we eat different varieties of foods like rice, bread, vegetables, eggs, butter, sweets, cheese, etc. And the ingredients of food means the materials needed to prepare any food is called an ingredient. Two or more than two ingredients are needed to prepare a variety of dishes. For example, so rice, in order to prepare boiled rice and water are the ingredients for boiled rice. The vegetables, salts, water, spices, these are all the ingredients which are required for cooking a vegetable curry. The sources of food also we come across. Plants and animals are the main sources of food. Food from plants, we get food in the form of cereals, that is rice, wheat, and vegetables, fruits. They are obtained from the plants as a source of food. We get these ingredients from certain different parts of plants like roots, stem, leaf, fruits. For example, for the roots, radish, carrot, turnip, potato, sweet potato, beetroot, etc. Stem, ginger, potato, onion, and we eat these stems. Leaf, spinach, lettuce, trigonella, these are some of the leaves which we commonly include in our diet. Fruits, guava, apple, banana, mango, papaya, orange, these are variety of food, seasonal fruits we eat. And we get oil seeds like mustard, sunflower, coconut, groundnut, soya bean, these are all obtained from the seeds of respective plants. Sugars, we get sugar cane, from sugar cane and beetroot we get the sugar. Tea and coffee, these are the leaves, tea leaves and coffee in the form of beans we use. Spices like pepper, cardamom, ginger, turmeric, cloves, cumin, these are all the spices which we use in the preparation of the food, that is in the curries and variety of food with variety tastes we use these spices. And food from animal sources, we get egg, meat, milk, fish and honey. These are some of the foods which we obtain from the animals. So we get milk from the buffaloes, cows. We get eggs from hens, goose, duck. And we get meat from the goat, chicken, hen, etc. And eggs and meat are the rich in proteins. Fish is the major part of the food for the people living in the coastal areas. Honeybee produces the honey from the nectar of the flower. It is rich in sugar, minerals and enzymes. And we also studied about the modes of nutrition. Autotrophs, all green plants. Heterotrophs, all animals. So heterotrophs are called consumers, different types of consumers. Herbivores, which eat plants. Carnivores, which eat animals. And omnivores, which eat both plants and animals like crow, monkey, bear, human, sparrow, these are all omnivores. Scavengers, some animals which eat flesh of dead animals, scavengers like hyena, vulture. Then producers and consumers also we come across. Producers means green plants, consumers means the animals which consume food prepared by green plants. Okay. Functions of food also we have. studied. And a balanced diet. A balanced diet is one which contains all the nutrients in proper amount. Cooking of food, methods of cooking of food. It makes the food edible. It makes the food soft, easily chewable and digestible. It improves the tastes of the food. It kills the germs and other microbes found in the raw food. And about food chain also we come across. In nature there are a large number of organisms. They all depend on each other, one another. One organism eats another animal and in turn is eaten by a third animal. Thus there is a link between the various organisms based on their food requirements. The whole cycle of who eats whom forms the food chain. A simple food chain, like grass eaten by the grasshopper, eaten by the frog, eaten by the peacock and eaten by the snake. A typical food chain in a pond is alga or diatoms eaten by the small fish, eaten by the large fish. Okay. The food habits of the people of different regions of India, North Indians, the people of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, they grow wheat and so they eat more chapatis, okay, pulses and drink lassi. They have a lot of dairy products in their diet. The East India, in Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, people eat mainly rice and fish. Odisha and West Bengal, produce a lot of fish and seafoods. West India, in Maharashtra, Goa and Gujarat, the people consume a lot of fish and rice. They also have dhokla and the pulses and groundnut. They use cotton oil. South India, rice is grown in plenty and in this region, so the people eat rice, fish and seafood. Their favorite items are idli, dosa, sambar, coconut chutney, and the coconut oil is used in cooking. South Indians. Okay. So now let us enter into the assessment. Question number 1. Which of the following fruits is used as spices? Brinjal, chili, onion, ginger. It is the which is used as spice? Chili, red chili and green chili, which is used as a spice. Which of the following is an edible root? Potato, pineapple, radish, cabbage. Radish, isn't it? Which part of the plants given below is eaten as food? So here the broccoli and cabbage is given. Which part we eat? Roots, leaves, flower, stem. It is the flowers. Bees store honey in which of the following places? Burrows, tree holes, beehives, stomach. It is in the beehives. The honey is stored. Which of the following gives us milk and meat? Hen, goat, prawn, fish. It is the goat. Based on nutrition, lizard belongs to which of the following groups? Herbivore, omnivore, carnivore, all of these. A lizard eats insects, so it is a carnivore, insectivore. Which of the following foods provide proteins? Toasted bread, sprouted pulses, boiled rice, baked biscuits. So it is the sprouted pulses which provide proteins, remaining all carbohydrates rich in. Which of the following plants' roots are edible? Potato plant, tomato plant, carrot, brinjal. Carrot plant is the root which we eat. Which of the following does not belong to the group formed by the others? Tomato, pumpkin, chili, turnip. It is the turnip. Remaining all fruits, it is the root. Okay. Which of the following plant seeds is not edible? Maize, mango, rice, wheat. It is the mango fruit we eat, but not the seed. Next. Which of the following plants seeds is or give us edible oil? Coconut, groundnut, mustard. So all these are used for extraction of the oil, edible oil. So all of these. Which of the following animals is an omnivore? Rat, cat, fox, both A and B. So it is a rat and a cat, they are omnivores. Fox is a scavenger, carnivore. Which of the following is not a consumer? Cow, lion, tree, rabbit. It is the tree which is producer, it is not a consumer. Which part of the plant is cabbage? Flower, leaves, fruit, and root. It is the flower. The birds like hen, duck, and turkey are categorized under which of the following groups? Apiculture, poultry bird, vermiculture, sericulture. They are all the poultry birds which give us meat and eggs. Which of these eat flesh of dead animals? Pigeon, vulture, parrot, sparrow. It is a vulture which eat the flesh of dead animals. So it comes under scavenger category. Now go through the table. Which of the following, which of the labeled food, which of the food products are obtained from plants? Here the table: dairy milk, butter, sugar, curd, cheese, and mango is given. So here which of the labeled food products obtained from plants? They are mango and sugar, isn't it? They are obtained from the plant. Milk, cheese, curd, butter, these are all obtained from the animals. Milk products they are. Identify the Q in the given figure. Plant source, animal source is given. P and Q are plant and animal sources. But Q is the connecting link between the P and Q, P and R. So it is the honey which is obtained from the flowers, which is prepared by the animal. Okay, honey is the Q portion. And here a simple food chain is given. Which of the following groups of animals can X be? Plant, X, lion. Autotroph, carnivore, herbivore, producer. So it is a herbivore which comes in the middle, eaten by the plants. Plants are eaten by herbivorous animals, primary consumer. Then the secondary consumer is the lion. It is a simple food chain. Which part of the menthe plant is used as food? Leaves, seeds, roots. So we eat the leaves and seeds. Which of the following parts of sweet potato is modified to store food and is edible? Stem, root, fruit, seed. It is the sweet potato is the root. Potato is the stem. Which of these is not a milk product? Butter, ghee, honey, cheese. Honey is not a milk product. Which part of the plant is brinjal? Seed, leaf, fruit, flower. It is the fruit. Which of the following food items is not a milk product? Cream, cheese, chapati, ghee. Chapati is not a milk product. Based on nutrition, human beings belongs to which of the following groups? Carnivore, herbivore, omnivore, producer. We are omnivorous. We eat both plants and animal products. Which of the following do you use most commonly for making of chapati? Wheat, cauliflower, bean, sugar cane. We use the wheat flour for preparing the chapati most commonly. Based on nutrition, which of the following does not belong to the group formed by the others? Tiger, lion, fox, bear. It is the bear which is omnivore. It eat honey as well as it eat the fish and other. Okay, it's the omnivore. Remaining all carnivores. Which of the following plants stems do we eat? Sugarcane, ginger, corn. Okay, we eat all the above. They are stems. Sugarcane is a stem, ginger is a stem, and corn also modified stems. Which of the following is the main source of food for all the animals? Consumers, decomposers, plants, the sun. Plants are the main source of food for all the organisms on this earth. Which of these animals does not eat other animals' meat? Rabbit, eagle, frog, lion. It is the rabbit which is a herbivore, which is not eat the flesh of other animals. Which of the following food substances is neither a plant nor a animal product? Garlic, oil, ghee, salt. Salt is obtained from the sea, so it is neither produced from the plants nor produced from the animals. The seeds of maize plant are called pulses, spores, spices, cereals. Maize come under cereals group, food grains. How many omnivores are there in the given figure? Crow, bear, fish, human. Okay, there are three main omnivores are there: crow, bear, and human. Next, which one of the following provides energy to animals? Light, heat, food, fuel. So actually food provides the energy to survive. These animals are similar because they are herbivores, carnivores, scavengers, and omnivores. They are all omnivores. Bear, omnivore, not herbivore, omnivores. Bear is omnivore, crow is omnivore, and cockroach eats everything. Omnivore. Which of these is an omnivore? Lion, tiger, rabbit, rat. The rat is an omnivore. Which part of the sugar cane contains food? Fruit, stem, leaf, root. It is a stem portion from which sugar cane juice is extracted. The animals given below are similar as they are all cow, goat, sheep, herbivore, carnivore, insectivore, omnivores. They are all herbivores. Which of the following is a fruit? Turnip, carrot, tomato, potato. The tomato is the fruit, remaining all roots. A food chain shows a sequence of organisms in a region through which energy from producers get transferred. In context to the above statement, what is wrongly predicted in the following food chain? Plants, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Snake eating frog, frog eating grasshopper, grasshopper eating plants, snake eating eagle. So it is the eagle eat snakes, but snake eating eagle is wrongly mentioned. The food items shown in the figure are the sources of mainly. So here potato, papaya is given, then wheat is given, rice is given, sweet potato, corn, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins. So it's all rich in carbohydrates. The articles given figure below belongs to which category? Chana dal, moong dal, urd dal, rice. So edible plant roots, edible plant seeds, edible plant fruits, edible plant leaves. They are all edible plant seeds, pulses and cells. In human beings or in humans, deficiency of which of the following vitamins show the symptoms given below? The bones become soft and bent. Vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A and vitamin B. So it is the vitamin D deficiency. It is a symptom of rickets disease. Next, observe the given figure carefully. Which of these have become food value and why? Okay, here the figure 1 and figure 2. Here sprouted, figure 2. Figure 1 is chana. They provide more energy and vitamins. They provides more energy and proteins. They provides more energy and fats. None of these. Okay, they are very important because they provide more energy and proteins. They are pulses, so provide proteins. Which of the following is not a part of salad? Tomato, onion, kira and okra. It is the okra which is not the part of green salad. Observe the figure carefully. The figure X shows a normal artery type of blood vessel, and figure Y shows a condition in which the artery has become narrow. Narrowing of the artery in the figure Y is maybe due to deposition of proteins, deposition of carbohydrates, deposition of vitamin D, deposition of fats. It is cholesterol which form this condition in the hypertension, high BP. Okay, deposition of fats. What is the source of food articles shown in the given figure? Milk, egg, some cheese, honey. So plants, animals, human beings, both plants and animals. So these are all the sources obtained from animals. Okay. Mita is eating a healthy diet, but she is missing a food with any fiber in it. Choose one of the following food items that she needed. So cake, fish, milk, cucumber, okay, or orange. Okay, it is the orange where they are rich in dietary fibers. Okay, she need option D. The last question. The child in the given figure is suffering from a deficiency disease. This disease is caused due to the deficiency of, observe the figure, swollen moon-like shape, face, color loss in the hair and skin, stopped growing means stunted growth, thin upper arms, sore and peeling skin. Skin also become dry and loses its natural shine. Is it the deficiency of carbohydrates, deficiency of proteins, or the deficiency of fats, or the deficiency of vitamins? So this disease is called the kwashiorkor. It is due to the deficiency of proteins because stopped growing. Okay. When the child is weaned out by the mother, early age, and compensate the food with normal food, then it leads to this disease. Okay children, hope you followed. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.